Guys, so I know I haven't uploaded on my channel in a hot minute, and I knew I said I was going to get back to doing things, but honestly, this semester of school has been totally kicking my butt. I am unbelievably stressed out to the max. I'm still president of the cheer squad. I ended up getting elected to another position that we're starting up on soon. I'm literally like totally maxed out. I want to get a look on one of the Euphoria girls in for you probably by next week. This weekend I'm going home for some homecoming makeup, and I am going to try and vlog that for you guys so you guys can see like how I do my work, how long it takes me. I'm doing one girl's hair this weekend too, so hair and makeup and then makeup on another girl. So that should be fun. So definitely stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna do like a little unboxing or like a repurchasing of like homecoming makeup that I bought and then stuff that I wanted to buy for myself. So stay tuned. My first order was from Ulta. I waited for the 21 Days of Beauty. I missed some and I was poor during some, so we didn't get some stuff. But I just repurchased Precisely My Brow Pencil in 2.5 by Benefit. It's like my favorite. 2.5 is literally the perfect color for my eyebrows. I think 3 is like perfect, but it's almost like too dark for my eyebrows, so I like 2.5 better. And then I got the Tarte in Fair concealer, Shape Tape. I love this concealer, but because I'm a platinum member at Ulta, I got this for $13 during the 21 Days of Beauty, so I'm excited for that. Like I said, I'm in Fair because I'm a warm undertone, but with fair skin. And then I have like a bunch of sample mascaras, but I don't have like a big mascara for some reason. And I lost my roller lash one. I have to repurchase that. But I got, on sale was the Better Than Sex and Diamonds limited edition. So just like the regular Better Than Sex, but it has like the diamonds on it. I heard this mascara is really good. People like brag about it. And it was only $12, so I was like, okay. And then finally I got these Lily lashes that I've been wanting to get. They were $18. They're in Miami. I'm so excited for these. I literally don't ever wear lashes, but we're gonna wear them now. So that is what I got from Ulta. Let me go grab scissors and I'll be right back. So most of the stuff from Ulta was for myself because I haven't bought makeup in a long time and I had like a strong urge to do so. Now mind you, I tried my hardest. This is for me, right? Yeah. I tried my hardest to get the Jaded palette from ColourPop. That's Kathleen Lights. I literally had it in my basket and I didn't order it. I wasn't making an order until Saturday just because I was like trying to figure out like how I wanted to spend money on it, and it was literally sold out. And it was in stock on Friday, so I haven't gotten it yet, but I want to get it super bad. So look how cute. With love from California. So this says pumpkin spice and everything nice. I love these little cards they send in here. So I got this one's for myself. I got the Blue Ya Mind ColourPop Volumizing Mascara. I've always wanted to try this. I saw Kathleen Lights use it. She has like really green eyes like I do with this, and it was like so pretty. So I'm excited for that. And then I'm doing a girl's makeup this weekend for homecoming, and she wanted like this glitter like right here in the eye, and I could not think of a better place than ColourPop to get the glitter. So I got this glitter in, what's it called? Oh, Island Hopping. I'll swatch it for you guys. It's beautiful. So it's like this silvery kind of like glitter. I'll show you guys like the packaging or whatever. But yeah, it's like super. Okay, it's super pretty. I'm like really excited to use it. I actually messaged the girl and asked her if she would like Island Hopping or like another option better. She said Island Hopping, so that's the one I ended up getting. I got this little case for it too because I'll lose this. So there we go. Look how cute. It's so cute. Okay, and then finally, because I couldn't get the So Jaded palette, I ended up buying a small palette from ColourPop It's like 12 bucks. It is the Strawberry Shake palette. So it looks like this, has like the plastic on it or whatever. And, ooh, a mirror. I love mirrors. Your girl can't get the mirror thing off because of her nails. Listen, don't even get me started on these nails. I got them done down at school, and everyone's like, wow, they look so nice. And they do. They look really nice, except for the fact that the guy did them wrong. Like, I've been getting my nails done forever. I know how they go. So, like, I'm about to go home this weekend and, like, maybe get my nails done because, I can't stand these. So, this is the palette right here. It says, my milkshake, whipped, woke, paper straw, take a sip, delish, berry fine, daiquiri, and shake it up. I will swatch these on my arm. I wasn't going to, guys. I really wasn't, because I have to actually go to work in like 40 minutes, and then I have like a conference that I have to go to. I got invited. It's like a student leader conference, I guess. And wow, these are pigmented. And I don't remember RSVPing to it, but I guess I did. So that should be interesting. I really don't want to go. I really wanted to take a nap, and now I don't get to take a nap, and I'm real sad about it. I'm big sad, y'all. Big sad. Okay, so I'll show you the swatches. The swatches in the light. Oh, too much light. In the light. So it goes my milkshake all the way over as this one. So this is my milkshake. And then the next sparkly one is whipped. Then woke. And then that, it's kind of like a satin color, I guess. That orangish color is paper straw. Take a sip is this other sparkly one. The gold brown sparkly one is delish. Or did I skip delish? Oh my god, I skipped delish. That's berry fine. And then daiquiri and shake it up. Delish. You guys are gonna be looking at this for a second. Real pretty, just a light pink. Kind of a bad swatch, but this is what they look like. So yeah, I also lost my James Charles palette. Like, I literally have no idea where it went. I'm like big mad about it. I think it like has to be somewhere in my house. Like, there's no way that it like just disappeared like that. Like, I truly don't believe it. So I'm definitely gonna try and look when I go home. But like, as of now, it's missing. So that's kind of why I haven't been doing that much makeup. I hate to make that excuse, but like, that palette was like my holy grail. And like, if I can't find it, I'm gonna like debate buying it again, because it literally had every single color, and like, that was so convenient. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Oh god, I have eyeshadow all over the back of my phone. That's pretty much it for this video. I definitely want to get back into doing things, back into vlogging, back into just being on YouTube again. I'm just like so busy, so I'm gonna try and like every week, no matter how tired I am, just set aside time to like film for you guys, and just like pre-film and stuff too, because like if I have time and I can film like 2 or 3 videos, I'll do it, so that like we get more content up here on the channel, because like I miss being on YouTube. Wasn't that big of a standard, but like I miss being up there, and it's lots of fun, and I get to just be myself and do what I like. So yeah, hopefully we'll be up there soon. Thanks for tuning in this week. I hope that I have the vlog up on Sunday, if not the beginning of next week, from this weekend. And then yeah, so I will see you guys soon. Bye.